What an awesome car. Aston Martin DB11, the 5.2 twin turbo, normally 600 brake horsepower, but this car has the AMR upgrade, which takes it to 630 brake horsepower. What a car this is, 11,000 miles, a brilliant GT vehicle. A 2019, brilliant value, great styling, brilliant specification and a cracking colour combination. Now this is a great sports car. I call it a sports car because it's a 2+2 sporty looking car, but it is a GT. So it's a great touring car at the same time. You've got the beautiful LED headlights. Everything is colour coded. The huge front end on it with the bonnet vents on this. Now it's a DB11, so everything is extra big, including this huge grille at the front. Front rear parking sensors. This one's got the upgraded 20-inch anthracite grey alloy wheels with the green brake calipers just there. The side vents, the V12 badging at the side there as well. Now remember, whilst this is a twin turbo vehicle, it doesn't feel like a twin turbo vehicle because the sound that this car makes is unparalleled. It's beautiful. I love this C shape going on here, which I think looks really good. On the interior, you've got the beautiful black leather interior, very exclusive, with that silver stitching, perforated seats, and it's got everything such as heated seats, ventilated seats. You've then got the squared steering wheel, site navigation, dual zone climate control. It's full of it, piano black finish, the DB11 entry kick plate just there, lots of space for all your friends and family, and all the electric seat adjustments with the memory seat is just there as well. Paddle shift, cruise control. But if you're looking for a very nice, reliable, good sports car, one that's comfortable, because with the active dampening control on this one and the different GT sports mode and all that's available, it makes it a fabulous machine. You've then got the hard shoulders, front and back. If you go to the side of the car, you'll see how wide they stick out. It's a very sharp line that starts here, goes all the way across, but it's got a great stance on it. You've then got the clear, visible rear lighting system, which is all LED as well. This rear spoiler lifts up electronically. You've then got the exhaust on each side, which again produces that incredible sound. And you have the reversing camera system. So if you're in the market and you want to be a little bit different, but you want a great car, a car that has great sound, that has brilliant build quality, then this is it. It's a push button start. That's a dampening control changer here, different settings. That can go from Sport Plus, GT. There's a paddle shift. I love the feel of this. Everything is super crisp. There's leather everywhere, and you've got the digital dash there as well. Nice and clear, and you can see exactly what you're doing. There's a DB digital radio, the stop start button, drive, neutral, reverse and park. Heated seats and ventilated seats are just there. The dual zone climate control. You have got this modem here to control the media. And then you have this little switch which knocks back or pulls forward the centre armrest. The two keys, more cubby hole space there, and then this flips up as well, which creates your cup holders depending what can you're going to be using. And like I say, it is a 2+2, so you have got space in the back so all your friends and family can join with you. You've then got the full grey Alcantara roof lining. I just think if you're in the market for a car like this, with 11,000 miles on, with full service history, with a brilliant specification, it doesn't get much better. This is the DB11, the 5.2 V12 engine with a twin turbo engine. Just brilliant. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.